Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. Virgos, this is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And today we'll be picking one card from the message from your person, so what they are wishing to tell you, and one fortune cookie for you all. So we will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading, Virgos. And if you like this reading and this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So if you are interested in a personal reading, Virgos, you can contact my friend. I'll be sharing her link in the description, and she is a very good intuitive reader, so you can contact her. She is doing personal reading in Fever. So let's start the reading with these cards for your gentle energies first. So we have King of Cups in reverse, Nine of Wands in reverse, and Nine of Pentacles. So today in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are a very talented and you are a very caring and loving person, trying to do things the right way, and you are a very friendly person. But whatever may be, today you are facing some troubles from people, maybe someone in your work. They are causing a lot of anxiety and stress for you because they are not listening to you, they are not listening to your ideas, and they are opposing you in some ways, and it is really difficult to handle this person, difficult to really understand them or try to resolve this circumstance today. And maybe there is someone, it may be your energy in this relationship. There is this person you love, you respect them, you may have a mutual love, understanding, but maybe for some reason you are unable to relate to them. You may feel that there is something missing in this connection, something not right, and this person is, what to say, spreading or they are talking behind your back, they are gossiping about you to someone, and their intentions are not good, and you may feel that you cannot trust this person. So lack of trust, lack of, what to say, that deeper bond or a communication is what you see, and it is simply something you cannot relate to. Something is missing in this connection. You may feel that way. So we have one card for your relationship. We will see what it is. It's 10 of Swords. So maybe there is a lot of difficulty you are facing today in this love, Virgos. Maybe you're crying or sad, you are unable to talk to this person, unable to see the truth. Maybe you have a lot of confusion, doubts, lack of clarity. This person talking behind your back is simply killing you, and you don't know what to do, or um, how to handle this circumstance. You love this person, you have trusted them, and maybe they are revealing something about you to others, maybe to their friends or colleagues, and it is simply giving you a lot of pain because you trusted them. That is the reason you spoke about yourself to this person. But what they are doing today, uh, they have no respect, or they are least bit bothered about what you feel or what you think of this love. So for your career, we have one card. We will see what it is. It's Seven of Swords in reverse. So maybe in your work there are people who are telling you certain things. Maybe it may be your mentor or colleague. They may have some ideas, something to guide you with, some important things to tell you, and you need to listen to them. It may be a good good advice regarding your work. So if you have honest friends who are really concerned about you, who are really concerned about your welfare, you must listen to them, because that will help you out in your work circumstances, Virgos. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. Let's see what is the message from your person. We have one card. I don't know if I'm cut out for this. So even this person is thinking, maybe after you have talked to them about something of your past, or after you have told them something about yourself, they may feel this way because they do not like that past you have told them, or the secrets you have revealed about yourself. That may be the reason they are gossiping about you or revealing those secrets about you. So something really bad today, but you need to stay strong, Virgos. Let's see what is the fortune cookie for you all today. Your lucky inspiration. Manifestations. A bountiful time awaits you. Your wishes could manifest right before your eyes. So such a positive inspiration for you all today. So though you may feel sad or stressed about something, some changes are definitely coming your way, Virgos, and you can be happy for that. So that is what I see with these cards, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thanks again, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, Virgos.